CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. HDMI. In 2004, the HDMI graphic device interface standard was released. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface, and it comes with a 19-pin connector. Now the name, High Definition Multimedia, really says it all. HDMI supports multimedia, or audio and video in one interface. No longer do we need a second cable to transmit audio data. This standard was immediately adopted by television manufacturers and then quickly spread to all display devices. Today, it is the most widely used graphic device interface. Also, as the name implies, it supports high-definition resolutions or high-quality graphics. The HDMI standard also dropped analog signaling altogether and is fully digital. The HDMI graphic device interface standard's connectors come in 3 different sizes to accommodate various devices and their space limitations. The standard HDMI connector, shown on the left, is the most common and is found on most consumer electronics such as TVs, Blu-ray players, and gaming consoles. On the other hand, smaller devices like tablets, smartphones, and some cameras often use the smaller mini HDMI connector, shown in the middle, or the micro HDMI connector, shown on the right. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.